welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to continue from where we stopped with the report making on Microsoft Excel. So let's go into the data that we've already filled on our report and we continue from there. So as I open it, it's right here on my desktop, and then you see we have one field of third term report results that we have not yet done the entry. So let's go and do that. So if here we shall do the recap of how to enter the formula again. I come here and I say equal to, if the score, the status of my student, you come to status and select equal to if. Okay, now you want to check if your student has passed or has failed. You come back here, you select this cell. If that total, okay, is greater or equal to 650, then my students are said to have passed, okay, or otherwise fail. Close, then you enter. Now there it will update automatically. Okay, so you come back here again. If my passing marks were 50%, I will do equal to if this row, okay, is greater or equal to greater or equal to 50 marks percent, comma, then my students are said to have passed or otherwise fail. Then I close the bracket, then you press enter. Now, for example, if my student here in the third term exams in math has scored 88, okay, you see what has happened? It has changed automatically to pass. Then the next few, my student has scored 68, 87, 99, 95, 83, 72, 63, 50, and 66. 66, and we have 71. So you'll come here. The total marks are right here, and automatically if you drag this from here up to here, you see that everything the student has passed. Now, if my students have passed these exams, what is the total? Let's see, equal to sum of the whole of this field. So we shall select from here to here, equal to. Then you see, I talked that our passing marks total was supposed to be 650, and here my student has scored 842. So my student has passed the final exams. Now this is the report card. Okay, so down here, if you want to add any other field to it, for the date, you can now choose to put any date that you the students have ended the term, even here, even this one. Okay, let's say here the student ended the term maybe in February, so you can just do the entry. But I want to show you, if you want to make this field different from this one, you'll come and select this, and you can decide to make it the first field to be deep green. Oh no, that color is not good. You can decide to make it like that. You also do the same for this one. That same for this. on this one, just making it look beautiful. Okay, same here, a bit lighter like that. Like that and that. So even this one, you can decide to make it again more even lighter like that. You see the difference in colors. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. I cannot select all of them because my key is not functioning well, but this is how you can make it look nicer, so that you print on a colored paper and it will look a bit different from the rest of the things, like that. So if this is my report card, now you know a report card is supposed to be endorsed, supposed to be signed by either the class teacher, the aid teacher, then the guardian. Okay, so in each of these fields you will create a section where the class teacher, the aid teacher, and the guardian is going to sign. So you can decide to choose down right here, okay, which is like 3, let's say 3 columns like that up to here. This is for first term. Then you come here, make it also 3. Can say I want everything I'm going to type here to be centered in. Then you come right here, then you say, so let's select the fields. You can as well increase the rows if you want them like 23 heights. There you go. So this is how where you're going to put in your data for the teachers to sign and every other, class teacher, aid teacher, and so if you to type on this, you say, oh, I forgot to do something. Sorry. I forgot to create a border on this. Okay? Like that. You do the same here. Border. Then you do the same. Border. Now this is how my field is going to appear. So here I can decide to merge this line, this one, and this one, so that it just appears like it's so let's merge this. I merge this one, just like I had showed you on the first merge. And then I merge that. So the same with the downer ones. So if I do like this, oh no, it's not going to be the way I want. so I'm just going to select it one by one. Like that. I merge it. Like that. I merge this. Like that. I match this. So this is how my field is going to be. Even down here I'll do the same, because there are different people that are going to sign on this. So like that, and I come here. Like that, come here and match. So if this is done, I'll now type here. So I want these fields, the whole of this field actually. If I'm typing, I want my document to appear centered, my words to appear centered. I come here, then I select like that. So I type here, right here. So here, I'm going to start with the class teacher. Teacher, then you just leave class teacher signature. You can just write here, sign. Then you leave a space like that. The same here, you say it teacher. Then you say this, then you say sign. What I'm doing, I think all of you are seeing and you're getting it right. The same here, I'll put guardian or parent. Let's say guardian. Like that. So this is how my fields are going to be now. Like that. The same here. I'll copy this. Like that. The same here. Like that. So this is how my report card is going to be. So at the end of the year, you just print out this, give to the students, sign on it, and they are good to go. So you can as well decide to make different fields look different right here. So just a few things right up here. I'll make this centered as well to make it look attractive and beautiful. So if I select that, this and that. Same here. Since everything is going to be centered, that. What else? This one here, I'll do the same. This is just preview and saying that everything is now correct and in the right places, uniform. Are we together? I guess we are on the right track. So even like this one, you can just do this. Same here. Okay, same here. That. So this is how my results report card is going to look like. I'm left with this one. That, this, that. So this is how my results report card is going to look like. So wow, this is beautiful. Okay, so if you want to change anything on this, you just have to Control A. You want to increase the font size. If you want to probably change the font color, or you change anything here, you can do anything with this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos. Please continue to subscribe on my channel, click the notification button, and you give me a thumbs up. But before we do that, let's save this document where we can get it in any time that we'd like to use it. So I can save this document, but I want to check. So it's going to be on my desktop, and I'm going to save it as report card 2025. So this is my document. The location is desktop, and then I save. Thank you so much. Have a blessed evening.